Okay, let's see question 4. We want to calculate expected value. Okay, so we're given this table. What does this table mean? This xi means we're given this data. We're given negative $0.25, so negative quarter. Then we're given 0. We're given 0.25 a quarter. We're given $1. So given this set. Then the second one is the probability of each one, right? Probability of this one, probability of getting negative $0.25 is 0.1. So on and so forth. So probability of getting $0 is 0.5. The probability of getting quarter is 0.3. Probability of getting $1 is 0.1. Right? It says both use decimals to represent. So calculating expected value, we multiply these two. So we could extend this table. So this column would multiply xi with the probability of xi. Multiply these two, we get negative 0. Let's forget about the dollar sign for now. 0.025. So multiply 0 with anything, we get 0. Multiply 0.25 with 0.3, get 0.075. 1 times 0.1, get 0.1. Then we add all this, right? So 0.1 add 0.075, get 0. So let's just write down negative 0.025 plus, well, plus 0 is plus nothing. We don't need to write 0.075 plus 0.1. 0.075 minus 0.025 is 0.050. Plus 0.1 is 0.15. Right? So the expected value is 15 cents. Okay, let's see 5. We want to find standard deviations. We need to calculate standard deviation. So first, we want to find the mean of this set. How do we find the mean of this set? We add all the numbers. We add them up. Then we divide by how many of them? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by 6. Okay. Just put into calculator. Okay, we have 88 plus 53, that's 106. 54, then plus 54. Plus 48, that's 96. So we get 344. Then divided by 6. Divided by 6. So we get a 57.33 goes on forever. So we just leave one decimal place. So just one more decimal place than the original value when we calculate standard deviation. So the mean is 57.3. All right, so let's write down mean equals to 57.3. Now let's erase. So first step, find the mean value. Now we want to subtract mean from each data. So subtract 57.3 from each one. 88 minus 57.3. We get 30.7. Then 53 minus 57.3. Negative, so we get negative value. Negative 4.3. So get 2, negative 4.3. Then 54 minus negative 3.3. 48 minus 57.3. Get negative 9. Negative 9.3. And 2 of them. Because we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second step, right? First step, find the mean value. Second step, subtract mean from each data value. Then third step, we square every one of them. Square, so square negative 0.3. We get 86.49. We have 2 of them. We'll add. So this one, basically we square everyone. We square this one. We square everyone. Third step, square everyone. Okay. So 86.9. The ones we square, we add them up. Then negative 3.3 square, we get 10.89. Now we have 1 of it. Then we have 2, negative 4.3 squared, which is 18.49. I can add 2, right? Or I can multiply by 2. Because the 18.49 add itself is same as 2 multiplied by. Then lastly, I have 30.7 squared. That gives me a big number, 942 and 49. Right, so I add all this. No, let's add. So when we add, so let's see, 4. So let's remember this. So this second step is to find the difference. Difference. And third step is the square. Then fourth step is add all them up. So 942 and 0.49. Then plus 2 of 18.49. Then plus 10, 89. Plus 86.49. And also 2 of them. So add up, we get a 1,163.34. Right. Then step 5, we divide this number by the size. Assume the data set is a sample, right? If the sample, usually we divide by the sample size minus 1. But if you divide by 6, I'll treat as right also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 of them. So let's divide by 6. So divide by 6. So we get 193.89. Then lastly, we square root. We square root 193.89. this one square root. My cell phone doesn't have a square root sign. Should be, let's see, 13.79. 13.89. 13.9. Yeah, we can. It's very close to 13.9. So we just round it up to 13.9, right? Yeah, at number 5, if you divide by 5, right? So if you divide by 5, and this number should be 1163.34 divided by 5, which is 232.67. Then the deviation will be bigger. It will be probably, let's see. Because the 15 squared would be 225. So it would be 15 point, let's check 6. Maybe 15.4. 15.3. It's about a 15. So 6 for 6 is about 15 point, maybe like 15.2, right? So either one, I'll treat them as right. Okay, that's question 4 and 5.